This is Heathrow Airport, and we are taking this video from Hatton Cross. Now the plane is landing at Heathrow Airport. Yes, it's landed there. Every 40 seconds, planes keep on coming to land at Heathrow Airport. Next one is over there. Another one is following. Anusagiri is also taking picture or video, something else. Ice is just sitting over there. Hello, Icegiri. Can you take off your hat and see me just once? Thank you, sir. Okay, another that's coming very close. This is Hatton Cross underground station. And over here we can see some parking British Airways planes. Yeah, it's coming. Which airline is this?